Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to find exactly what to watch without scrolling endlessly, search filters on Prime Video help you narrow down results based on your preferences. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use search filters on Prime Video in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing, open search or browse, like open Prime Video, tap search or go to category like movies, TV shows. Okay, so you will see a list of content. Enter your search optional, like type a keyword, genre or title, so results will load instantly. Okay, so for example, go here and look for something, for example any kind of show or actor or anything. Okay, so access filter, like look filter, refine, sort option, so tap or click it like this one. Okay, filter panel will open. So apply filters, like common filters includes for example genre, language, year, rating included with Prime. Okay, so select what matches your preferences, okay, or what match your preference. Okay, sort results, like choose sorting options like popularity, newest, A to Z. Okay, so it helps organize filtered results. Okay, so choose your title, like tap results, start watching. So we have found exactly what you want. Okay, so there are some common mistakes that happen. Okay, so for example, not opening filter panel, applying too many filters. Okay, ignoring sorting options, for example, expecting same filters on all devices. Okay, and forgetting to reset filters. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.